Okay, in this next to discuss third one, body is moving uniform accelerated motion. Uniform accelerated motion. So for example, A is equal to constant. The first taking kinematic first equation, V is equal to U plus AT. If U is equal to 0, V is equal to AT. Next, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. If the initial velocity is 0, S is equal to half AT square. Okay, or S is equal to S naught plus half AT square. Okay, in this coordinate system, positive x, positive y, so negative x, so negative y. The tangent lines are drawn in this way. That angle is theta 1, this is the theta 2. Okay, in this angles are acute angle. So acute means that angle is less than 90 degree. Theta less than 90 degree. Then tan theta is always positive. Tan theta is always positive. In this case, the velocity is increasing. Okay, for example, velocity is positive, acceleration is equal to positive. The two are same sign, positive, positive. The speed will be increasing. The speed will be increasing. For example, velocity is increasing, that is a positive. A is decreasing, the acceleration is a negative. These two are different signs. The speed also automatically decreases. Okay, the acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Theta less than 90 degrees. The tan theta is equal to positive. In obtuse angle in this quadratic system, the obtuse angle, and in this way, this angle is so above 90 degree. Theta is greater than 90 degree. Tan theta is equal to negative. Tan theta is equal to negative. The velocity is negative. In this way, velocity is decreasing. The change in velocity is decreasing with respect to time taken. Okay, velocity is decreasing, the acceleration also decreasing, but speed is increases. Acceleration is negative. These two are same sign. The speed also increases. Increases. In this one, a body is moving uniform accelerated motion. For example, all position time graph is a quadratic equation. Then the graph is a parabolic graph, parabolic shape, that is a U shape. Okay, this is the shape. For example, this is the P point, this is the Q point. The tangential is drawn, so angle is theta 1. This is the drawn, that angle is theta 2. Then theta 2 is greater than theta 1. In this, at any point the instantaneous velocity, the first is the body is moving at the initial velocity u. The theta is theta 2 greater than theta 1. Thus the velocity is increases, the v is positive and increases. Next, speed also increases. Speed also is increases. This is the body is moving a uniform acceleration. In this one, in this fourth one, so body is moving uniformly retarded motion. So retardation means the first velocity is increases, the positive velocity is positive, then that velocity is decreases. So body is moving uniform retardation motion. Then A is equal to the constant, that is a negative. The V is equal to U plus AT. Retardation, then A is equal to negative, then V is equal to U minus AT. First equation. The second equation, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Uniformly retardation motion, that acceleration is negative. S is equal to UT minus half AT square. So taking the position time graph, so body is moving in this way. This is the origin O. Take an angle theta 1. So for example, take ST graph. First the initial velocity u, the initial velocity u, so making an angle theta 1. The graph is starting from origin to at final point P. The velocity is positive, velocity always positive, but decreasing. Velocity positive in this final point P. Final point P, the velocity is decreasing. Velocity is positive in this car, but final point the velocity is decreasing. Velocity is decreasing. This is a body is moving uniformly retarded motion. In this one, the velocity is decreasing at final point. The speed is increases. The speed is increases. This is the fourth type of position time graph. The next one, the fifth one. Fifth one is the uniformly retarded and then accelerated motion in opposite directions. Okay, take the graph, ST graph, ST graph. in this the concave shape, the semicircular path, so O point origin, this is the highest point A, and this one is a B. Okay, body is moving, the particle is projected with initial velocity u is positive, initial velocity u with a positive, make theta 1. So draw the tangent line. In this one, the velocity is equal to 0. The slope of first taking in this position, origin position, a particle is projected upwards to reach a maximum height, and then the velocity is positive, then it is decreasing. It is decreasing. So decreasing means the velocity is negative, then that is increasing, but increasing. In this from O to A, the velocity is positive, tan theta is equal to theta 1, theta is equal to theta 1. In this case, the time of projection is equal to the time of journey forward is equal to reverse direction. These two are equal. The next, the speed of the particle in upward direction is equal to the speed of the particle strike out the ground. In this O to A, V is equal to plus U, then tan theta is equal to theta 1. From position A, the particle is a rest position, the V is equal to 0, the position time graph is 0, the tan theta is equal to 0. The body strike out the ground surface, that is A to B. The angle is obtuse angle theta 2. So V is equal to negative, tan theta is equal to theta 2. From O to A, the ST graph, the velocity is increases. O to A, velocity increase, velocity positive, but decreasing. The slope time graph also positive but decreasing. The body strike out the ground surface, the body starts from A to B, the velocity is negative but increasing. The slope of position time graph is a negative but increasing. In this case, the speed of the speed of the particle projected upwards is equal to the speed of the particle strike out the ground surface, and the time of projection in upward direction is equal to time of in strike out the ground surface. These two are equal. This is totally the 5 cases in position time graph. These are very, very important in JEE mains and NEET level. and CBSE board also. If you like this video or hope you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.